So the first step is to put all your dry ingredients into your mug or your cauldron-shaped mug, right? And once you get all the dry ingredients in there, you mix it. I'm using a rubber spatula so I don't damage the sides of my mug. And you just mix it until you don't see any single parts, right? So you don't see all the white spots of flour. It becomes consistent. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. Then you're going to add all the wet ingredients. I prepared all my wet ingredients in a separate bowl to make it easier, but all you do is pour it in, and then you mix that together. So you stir and stir and stir until it becomes an even consistency. Mix it, then it goes into the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is based on a 1000 watt microwave. You may have to adjust your time for your own microwave. All right, I've taken my mug cake out of the microwave. Be very careful, it's hot. Use a pot holder, use some paper towels, it will be hot. Here you go, this is what it looks like before I frost it. It is now time to add the Witch's Brew frosting. It's green frosting with sprinkles and eyeballs. Let's go ahead and do that. Here we go, we have our Witch's Brew mug cake. Cauldron mug cake. All right, I'm gonna eat it. Happy Halloween, everybody. Time for a bite of Witch's Brew mug cake. Ooh, the eyeball fell right out. Oh my goodness. Chocolatey. I love that it feels fluffy. That turned out. Very good. I would say, to save your teeth, maybe take the eyeballs out. They're a little harder to chew. They're edible sprinkles, but they are harder to chew. What happens if it's not Halloween? Well, guess what? You can make this mug cake year-round. I made one in a regular-sized mug. Yay! And I'm going to show you a quick way to go ahead and top it. I like to use some quick Ready Whip and some sprinkles. Time to top this. Oh, did I show you the inside? Oops. Anyways, cake. I forgot to show you what it looks like. Bam! Love it! And all I gotta do is add some sprinkles. I took out the eyeballs so that way I could have it as my year-round mug cake. Okay, so now I do some sprinkles. Oh, okay, so this is my year-round mug cake. There! Alright, now I'm gonna eat this. Alright, here we go. Mug cake. It's really good. The whipped cream makes it light and fluffy. I think it's a little bit less sweet than the frosting, and it just makes it taste a little bit fluffy, and that's kind of nice. I hope you enjoyed watching my video on mug cakes, and let me know if you try it. So again, this is based on a 1000 watt oven, and I'm going to go ahead and list the recipe below. Make your own. Make it festive. Make it every day. Make it deliciously chocolatey. So each microwave is a little bit different. A good way to check to make sure mug cake is done, go ahead and stick a toothpick in there. And, make sure it doesn't come out wet. Few crumbs are okay. That means it's cooked. But if it's still wet, then it's not cooked all the way through. You'll need a little bit more cooking time. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go eat my cake now. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool videos. Thank you for watching.